guys, this is insane. Oh my God. And it's only like 7 o'clock in the morning. We got all day to snow as far as they've been reporting. Look at this. This garden has never seen snow. Promise you that. Got a tarp on top of my greenhouse. Hopefully that keeps the snow from building up. Go check on them chickens. Whew. Look at this, guys. Look how much snow. Come on, buddy. Come on. He has no clue what that is. He's never seen that in his life. Oh, Lord. Look at this, guy. This is insane. Oh, my. Oh. You like that? Chickens. Y'all all right? You can't see them probably. Unless they're outside. Oh, I need to get this closed. Oh. Okay. Whew. This is amazing. It's blowing so hard it ain't even staying on my roof. It's blowing right off. Really, really soft snow. Just wanted to take a little sneak peek. I still got a long day to go like this, guys. Oh my God. Oh, it is cold. Oh. Look at it. Look how deep my feet print are, y'all. See snow a few times in my lifetime, but I've never seen this much ever. This is just crazy. Oh my gosh. Well, guys, y'all stay safe and stay warm. And for those of you here in Louisiana, hopefully y'all just go ahead and enjoy it, guys. Stay home and enjoy it. That's what I'm doing. Awesome experience. So, God bless. See y'all later.